Hi, I'm Chris from the Google Meeting Room Solutions team, and I'm excited to be here with you today to share one of our certified meeting room solutions, the large room configuration from Logitech. This system perfectly complements Google Meet and delivers great video and sound for your large meeting rooms. Now, if you're not familiar with Google Meet, it's the video conferencing application included with your Workspace license. It allows you to easily schedule a video call from a number of different Google Workspace applications, including Chat, Calendar, Jamboard, and Gmail. Now, at Google, we know how important it is to look and sound your best on calls, so we partnered with Logitech, a leader in conference cameras, audio technology, and meeting room hardware. The large room solution from Logitech includes everything you need to video-enable large conference spaces, typically designed for 12 to 20 people. With Logitech Room Solutions for Google Meet, starting video calls from any conference room takes just a tap of your finger. Literally. It's that easy. So let's take a look at what's inside the large meeting room solution kit. So first, there's the Logitech Tap, the incredibly easy to use touch controller for instantly launching and managing the meeting. Next, there's the Rally Plus conference camera that comes with 2 speakers and 2 mic pods to give you audio and video coverage for large rooms. Also included is Google's pre-approved, pre-configured Chromebox that powers the room and is fully supported by Logitech. And of course, there are all the mounting brackets and cables that make installation clean and effortless. Everything comes in this box ready to plug and play. The setup guide and the online wizard make it super easy, but if you do have questions, our friends at Logitech are available to help 24/7. The only thing not included here is the Meet license required to provision the hardware. Make sure you purchase a license for your room from your approved Google Workspace reseller when you purchase the Logitech Large Room Solution. All right, let's get into what all these pieces do. This piece of hardware is called the Tap, which allows you to control the whole meeting from this 10.1-inch touchscreen. Tap to join a call, tap to zoom in the camera, tap to mute, and tap to add someone new to the call, tap to record a call. It couldn't be easier. The touchscreen operates in bright or low light. A motion sensor saves power when the device is idle and turns it back on when it detects motion. This conference camera, speakers, and mic pods make up the Rally Plus system that comes with the large room kit. The Rally camera captures an Ultra HD 4K resolution and works well in dim or backlit conditions. These 2 oval speakers deliver natural sound that's crisp and intelligible while suppressing background noise and auto-leveling voices. These 2 circular mic pods help the system adapt to fit rooms of all configurations and ensure that everyone in the meeting can be clearly heard. Now imagine meetings where everyone can finally hear everyone else. Next, onto the Chromebox, a tidy powerhouse that utilizes its Intel Core i7 processor with built-in video accelerator, 128 gigabytes of solid-state storage, and 8 gigs of RAM. Because it was built specifically for Logitech Room Solutions for Google Meet, it virtually ensures every call and every action is smooth and reliable. The whole system is designed to reduce clutter and complexity, and comes with all the necessary cables and mounts needed for a quick and clean installation. For instance, the Tap connects directly into the Chromebox and has a clever cable retention system built in to keep messy cables hidden. So let me summarize by saying that the Logitech Large Room Solution is a beautifully designed and packaged all-in-one kit that is easy to install, manage, and use. It's a great choice for organizations that need certified, plug-and-play video hardware solutions that perfectly complement their Google Workspace investment. Reach out to your Google Workspace reseller for more information or to place an order.